How to send a one-time view photo on your Facebook. Now this is pretty much a very simple procedure. Now what you're going to do is quite simple. You come to the messages section over here, then select a conversation that you want to send a message or you want to send a photo to. So for this case, I'll select this one here, and as you can see, tap on the photo icon over here, then tap on allow to allow Facebook access all your photos. Now once you're in your photos, go ahead and select the photo you want to send. For this case, I'll select this laptop over here, then I'll tap on preview. Now when you tap on preview, you see this icon which says off, so turn it on. And you can see here they tell you that this will be set in once, then it is gone. So just tap it OK, and then it is in view once. So this means if I send this message like this person will see this message, they will open it. Once they open it, they won't be able to see it again. It's just a one-time view. Okay, so basically that's a procedure. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.